So I had the Roush Blackjack for probably a solid 3 days, and my brother-in-law, that is not a Mustang guy in any way, shape, or form, decided that he wanted the Mustang. What do you think, Justin?
I love it. Love his personality.
He's been a M3 guy and a Nissan guy, and we both raced Nissans together. He's got a 370Z Nismo, but he drove this car, loved it. He's thinking about doing exhaust, right?
Yeah, I want to make it a little bit louder, so I'm considering just taking out the mufflers as something kind of a simple, cheap modification to make.
So hopefully it sounds good. I think it will. He's going to do a startup video right now of what it sounds like now, and then if he gets those deleted, we'll do another video and we'll see what we think. We're trying to compete over the train horn. I think it did it. We'll have to see what it sounded like. So what do you think about this car, man? What do you like the most?
Honestly, just personality characteristics. Like, I like the shifter. The Roush shit in this is probably like my favorite thing. The rumble of a V8 over the scream of the supercharger is just something that makes you feel really, I don't know, fulfilled.
All right, guys, Justin brought his car back. He got the exhaust straight piped. Let's see how it sounds. Damn, dude, that's quite a bit louder, man. That turned out sick. I might just have to do that to mine. So we're in the Roush. We're gonna go for a quick ride. Justin's about to fire it up, so let's go for it, man. You know, for how much louder it is outside of the car, it's really not that much louder in.
I don't know if I'd say it's louder at all inside.
Yeah.
Pretty much the same.
Yeah, that sounds good, dude. Plop, 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 plop.
I'll kind of let it do some still. Feels pretty cool, right?
This sounds sick, dude. I love it. I've been doing research on the short throw shifter for the 6-speed, and it's like they don't make one. I guess it's the same transmission that they had in the Pontiac GTOs.
Oh, really?
And maybe they do make one for it, but it looks like it's a pain in the ass. So there it is, guys. All it is a straight pipe. Took the mufflers out, straight piped it right out the back. The stock catalytic converters are still in the car. And in doing some research videos, there were some cars that sounded really loud straight piping them, so Justin was pretty concerned about just cutting them right out. But we kind of debated, and we thought, you know, there's a possibility those guys also deleted or put in high flow cats and removed the mufflers, and then that would make it really loud. I think the cats themselves muffle the noise quite a bit, and I think Justin's pretty happy with the choice to do what he did. Dude, that whine of the supercharger's dope, bro.
Yeah.
The downshifts are so good. so well put together. The suspension in it is awesome. If you don't have a Mustang, if you don't have a huge budget, these S197s are awesome cars. They're a lot of fun. I don't know that you can have much more fun than this, quite honestly. If you like what you see and you like my channel, please don't forget to click subscribe.